So this is going to be a demonstration of an automotive hood installation tool. It's a little unique in that the tool is going to have a backwards pitch to it so that the operator can stand in front of the car, have the hood tilted in this fashion, bring it forward, install the hinges, and then come up and come back off. The pick positions are going to be all the way from floor level on a stack up to about 48 inches. So in order to do that, we have an adjustable height handle. So starting the motions, I'm going to bring the handle to a convenient position. I'll have gone down, picked up the hood off of the stack, and I'm going to simulate that coming off the table here. I'm going to turn vacuum on. And then at that point, the operator is going to pitch back towards himself. He'll walk over to the chassis, align. The operators are going to install the hinges at that point. And then during normal operation, they're going to prop the hood. They're going to release the tool. It'll come back up and off. In this position, I'll also demonstrate another feature. It's a release safety interlock. So normally we have two-hand tie-down control on the controls, meaning the operator needs to use both a left and a right thumb input to affect an attach or a release. However, if they hit both thumbs while a part is in the air, normally the part would drop. We've added a safety interlock so that if there is a part in the air and the operator accidentally does hit release, it won't release. Now that the weight is off,